Hello and welcome to 360. To get you oriented here, let me take you through the core features that you should be able to master in minutes. And if you ever need to find this video again, you can do so right here in the side menu. When you log in, the dashboard here will give you a quick overview of your latest searches, key stats, and where your data has been coming from. The Find tab contains 3 separate tools to build out your contacts. You can upload a CSV file with the following columns, and 360 will find their relevant business emails and validate them for you. Profile Search is essentially a search engine that pulls in and aggregates contact data from Google and then validates it against our LinkedIn database. And the same goes for our Job Search tool. The Enrich tab contains 3 tools all about URL enrichment. For instance, you can upload a CSV of LinkedIn profile URLs, and 360 will pull in the relevant data on them, including contact information, job titles, and more. You can do the same with a CSV of company profile URLs, and 360 will pull in all the relevant data and break it down for you. And the same goes for job page URLs. With the Sales Navigator tool, you can search for people or companies on Sales Navigator, then copy both the search results URL and the cookie session, which requires just one easy click with our browser extension, and 360 will aggregate all that data for you quickly and cleanly. With the email lookup, simply upload a CSV file with email addresses, and 360 will run them through our database and other search solutions that we leverage, and verify with a 97% success rate who these emails actually belong to. With the Email Scout tool, you can upload a CSV file with emails, copy and paste your LinkedIn session cookie, which again we've made very simple with our browser extension, and 360 will be able to tell you if any of those email addresses belong to LinkedIn users. Unlike all the other automation systems out there, many of which try to bypass LinkedIn's limits, 360 will not only 100% verify any active email addresses so you can clean up your list, it will also allow you to send connection requests with them on LinkedIn as well. So say you upload a list of 1,000 emails, and 360 is able to verify 600 of them. And done, you can now have 600 connection requests sent off with no further effort, a huge time saver. You can also use this tool to enrich your list with relevant LinkedIn profiles and other information and data that we scrape. And with the Email Probe tool, it's very simple. Just upload your CSV of email addresses, and 360 will verify them, tell you which ones are catch-alls, spam traps, and so on. LinkedIn Scanner, a premium add-on for 360, gives you access to all 700 million prospects in our LinkedIn database. Just enter in your search terms, and 360 will return up to 25,000 results for you. With the Lead Sniper tool, just upload your CSV with company names and roles of people who work there. For instance, maybe you're looking to connect with the CEOs of certain companies or people working in marketing, and 360 will return matches for those people. And the Leads tool is essentially your own personal database, where you can have all of your data that you've collected in 360 by using any of these tools, backed up and saved in one place for you. And from here you can filter them by certain criteria and/or download them. And just a couple of more great features you should be aware of. In the right menu with Teams, you can invite other team members to access 360 at no additional cost. You can share this subscription together. And speaking of billing, your basic account comes with 2,000 credits. But if you need credits beyond that, you can always top them up, share them with your team, do whatever you like with them. 360 also has a full API that you can use in your own CRM or other tools that you have. If you want to send data into 360 through another tool, or export it into tools like MailChimp, for instance, you can do so by joining Zapier here. And you can get that Chrome extension to copy cookie sessions right here. But of course, if you're using another browser other than Chrome, we've got instructions here on how to copy your cookie sessions through your browser manually. And if you're in marketing and sales, for instance, and would like to rebrand 360 as your own software for your company, using your own logo, color scheme, domain, and so on, you can do so right here with the white label feature. And that's it. That should give you a general idea of all these powerful tools that you now have at your disposal. Welcome to 360 and enjoy.